Right now, the travel sentiment score is up at plus 0.31, marking a notable shift from its historical baseline. What's particularly interesting is that despite a momentum score of plus 0.00, indicating no recent change in movement, the sentiment has risen steadily. This suggests a growing optimism among travelers, even if the pace of that change has plateaued. When you query our API, you get back a comprehensive breakdown that includes sentiment scores, momentum, and even semantic clusters to help you understand the nuances of traveler sentiment. Imagine you're building an application that predicts travel trends. This sudden uptick in sentiment could signal an ideal time for marketing campaigns or travel deals, allowing you to align your strategy with positive traveler sentiment. For the full details, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.